Oh my god. Oh my god, his cheeks are standing there too.
There he is.
Oh my god. Oh my
What? Oh, you guys can just look out the window.
I want to see him do it again too. He probably will. Oh, he's chasing her. He's chasing
Move
her.
your head, Jasper. This is where he happens.
We gotta get some of this action.
Oh, he's coming. Ooh, they're fighting.
He's a cheater.
He is.
Seriously, he already has a
Are you
wife.
also recording in the what is it?
Bro.
Sound? Are you recording?
Yes, the sound.
Oh.
But we won't hear
What
them.
are they doing?
I don't know. Oh, this is actional.
That's what two dogs do if they're in love.
Doing?
Watch out the window, Jasper. I'm the only one that gets to. Watch out the
Well, I
window.
can't see that.
Watch out the window.
If I watch out the window, it will mess up the film.
It won't. I won't film you. It doesn't put your head in the cam.
Man,
It's been a minute and 30 seconds.
Wow. How long are they going to be
Are
doing
they
this?
still gonna be playing like that?
I don't know.
How are they going to be playing like that for 50 hours?
I want to post this on YouTube.
Do it. And Facebook.
I dare you to post it on YouTube too.
I will.
Do it
I
on
wanna see
Facebook
what everybody
too.
will
No.
think about it.
Okay.
And this is actually real.
I might get 1 million views.
This is actually real. They're actually doing it.
This is actually real.
It's not like we're those other people.
It's not clickbait. This is actually real.
Can you
It's been 2 minutes and
at the bottom
11
corner?
seconds.
Oh,
At
he's
the
doing
bottom
it. He's
corner.
trying to.
Oh,
Don't do it.
I'm
Face.
going to watch this video and see how it's gonna turn out.
Oh my
Let's watch it after we're done making it and see how it turns out.
Oh. They just gotta fight. Come on, hurry up.
Come on, make up to each other.
Make out.
She's trying to bite
She's biting him.
his neck.
She's biting him. Oh, they're fighting. In his face. It was all in his face.
Oh jeez, she's not.
It's been
having
2
a good
minutes
time.
and 53 seconds.
She's not having a good time.
Come on, do it again, guys.
Come on. We just
wanna
wasted
see
3 minutes of our time. Come on.
We started doing this for y'all, not for y'all just to play or fight with each other.
Come on. We need you guys. They're fighting right now. They're trying to decide who gets the children.
Chosen for what?
The
Well-
children when they have puppies.
Yeah.
So whoever wins this. is
Yes,
gonna have
whoever
puppies.
wins and gets the puppies. Who will win? I mean, Wired's just trying to hump her again.
Yeah, so they can have a lot of children.
Yeah, so Wired gets half of that.
They're doing it.
Oh, I got it.
Oh,
He's humping Skyla.
finally, it took them a while.
It's been,
3 minutes.
3 minutes, 53 seconds.
She's finally said, fine, just do it.
Bro, I gotta zoom in on this.
And she's just liking it too.
She's liking it. Stop moving the bed.
Oh no, why her wife's gonna be mad after we tell her what happened?
Oh my god. Wait, she's gonna get on YouTube and see this. Oh god, oh no. We're gonna say dog cheats on his wife.
Oh yeah, that's what we should do.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. That's what it's called.
You guys gonna, okay. Oh, kill him.
Do you get? I'm pretty sure we do get. Sometimes we get. Don't we get money sometimes
Yeah.
on YouTube?
Yeah, when we post videos that
when we-
people like.
When we do it, it's how about we split the money?
Why she?
No, I'm not splitting my money.
Why?
Because I don't like splitting money. I'm going to buy a Lamborghini.
Well, It was.
We need more of this.
You got. It's your
This.
camera. It was our idea though to film it.
No,
It's trying to go
it was
after
my
her
idea.
again.
Oh, look at this.
It's also.
Oh, do it some more.
Oh, look, she's just standing there. Look.
Zoom in,
she
dude.
is.
No,
She's like, oh,
no,
yeah.
just look out the window. Look.
Oh, she's like, oh yeah, too. She probably is.
Look, guys, look. Look. If you can see it in the barn there, you can see it kind of a face. See, look. Watch.
She's like.
Oh, your butt.
Save me.
Do you guys think I should stop filming because it's been 5 minutes, 45 seconds?
No.
Now I want to see if they'll keep up, if they'll keep doing it.
We're going to do it until it ends.
Okay.
Yeah,
When
till they're done. He probably wants more children. He already got a daughter. Why does he want another kid?
how about when he
He
jumps
had 10 of those.
when he jumps?
Shh.
She's like going after his. This is a good action.
I know, look. Do you think we should make it age restricted? 18 and up? Yeah, probably.
Yeah, totally.
Just make them think that we're 18 years old.
No. Only 18-year-olds and up can watch this. Look.
And we're not even We're not even 10.
I want to see Sheldon looking at it too.
Come on.
Sheldon, look out the window.
He's about to look at it.
Sheldon, look. Ah, darn it! They stopped when he started looking.
Look, he's been watching the action for 4 to 5 minutes.
He probably was looking out there in the living room window.
Yeah, he probably was.
Are they doing it behind the tree?
What?
Oh my God, they're doing it by the tree.
Oh, what?
They don't want anybody to see.
And they know we're looking at them too.
Oh no.
Man!
Not our action, no.
They can't do that. That's not fair.
It's not fair, we gotta watch them.
We want to watch. If we was out there, we'd be watching.
Yeah, like so
And
much.
But it's too cold out there to go. Yeah, they are doing it behind that tree.
Oh my God.
And they still going because they haven't came out. He really was.
Oh wait, you can see him. Wait.
I see him. I think he took a pee.
Oh look! Ooh! Kill him! Kill him! Alright, he's in clear sight.
And they're going behind the tree again.
They're going.
They
Ooh!
probably are going. 'Cause I don't see her leash moving. Her leash is. Oh, come on, guys. We want to see y'all doing it.
That's kind of creepy, but
I know.
would you want your kids to watch you?
No.
Huh? Oh! Okay.
Finally.
Kill him, my heart. Kill him. Get her. Get her.
So, I can't see.
Watch the video. I don't care. Watch it. We'll watch it later. Hump her one more time. Oh, put your...
When he humps her one more time, the video will be over.
Yeah.